Hi guys, today we have a question x to the power of 4 minus x equals 0. We need to solve for x, and if x to the power of 4, we know that x has to have 4 solutions. So let's go ahead and answer this question together. First of all, I'm gonna factorize this out. So I have x squared minus 2. I'm just different between two squares, then x squared plus 2. That's equals 0. And then over here, I will further factorize this one again. So I have x squared become x minus root 2 and x plus root 2. For this bracket, I will rewrite this bracket as x squared minus 2i squared equals 0. If you haven't learned imaginary number, don't worry about it. I will quickly explain it to you. It's very simple. So in mathematics, we always have a problem with square root of a negative number. And if we can take the square root of a negative one, then we can take the square root of every other negative number. So mathematicians, they make square root of negative 1 equal to I for imaginations. They introduce the imagination number is to expand the real number system to the complex number system. And the application of imaginary number is for electrical engineer when they want to present the alternating current. If you know any other application of imaginary number, just let me know in the comment section. I will copy this down here, and over here I'm just gonna do it step by step. And then I have another difference between two squares here. So I have x minus root 2 and then I'll go ahead and solve for x. Over here I have x equal to root 2, and then I have x equal to minus root 2, and then I have x equal to I root 2, and I have x equal to minus I root 2. So that is 4 solutions of this equation. If you do this question for your homework or exam, just go to the first step and then go straight to the answer. You don't need to go through all of this here. Thank you very much for watching.